Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary with AI. First, select a reliable AI summarization tool. Many free and paid options are available online, offering various features. Next, prepare your text. Ensure it's clear and well formatted for the best results. You can copy and paste directly or upload a document, such as a PDF or Word file. This initial step is crucial for accurate summarization. When choosing an AI tool, look for one that fits your specific needs. Some tools excel at academic papers, while others are better for news articles or reports. Once you've selected your tool, simply copy and paste the text you want to summarize into the designated input area. For longer documents, uploading a file, like a PDF or a Word document, is often more convenient and efficient. This ensures the AI processes the entire content accurately. Most AI summarization tools offer customization options. You can often specify the desired length of your summary, perhaps asking for a 200-word overview or a summary of 3 key bullet points. Some advanced tools even let you choose between an extractive summary, which pulls direct sentences, and an abstractive summary, which rephrases the content. Experiment with these settings to achieve the perfect summary for your purpose. After the AI generates your summary, it's essential to review it carefully. Check for accuracy, ensuring all key points are represented correctly. You might need to make minor edits for flow, grammar, or to add specific details the AI might have missed. Remember, AI is a powerful assistant, but human oversight ensures the final product is polished and perfectly meets your requirements. This final check guarantees a high-quality summary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.